So let's say you have a job form and you have shared out the form with others. And now you want to go ahead and see the submission data of that particular form. So to do that, over here, you can go to the workspace section and then click on My Form right here. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that you will be able to go ahead and then see the forms right here, just like this. So there's multiple forms right here, and you can see that there's 20 submissions right here, just like this. If I were to go ahead and click right here, then what happens is that I get access to job form tables where I can actually go ahead and see the submissions that has been made in a structured way. So here you can see that this is the form right here, just like this. And you can see like I have different submission right here, just like this. So you can see that I got different submission date. So if I were to go ahead and view right here, you'll be able to go ahead and view the submissions right here, just like this. So most of them is empty right here. So these are just sample submissions that I have. So let's just go around over here onto the other form right here. Like there's 3 submissions right here. So let me just go ahead and click. And then once you do that, you can see the submission data right here neatly arranged out in a table right here, just like this. Apart from that, what you can also do is you can go ahead onto more right here and see, let's say for example, you can go ahead and create out a report right here of the submission as well. And as you do that, you can see like you see different sort of reports right here. So let's just go ahead on to visual reports. Let's say for example, and as you do that, you can see that I can go ahead and select a type of report right here. So let's just go ahead and see it right here, just like this. And you will be able to see a visual report of the submission right here, just like this. So this is what you can do. So Jotform is quite powerful, as you can see right here, just like this. So let me just go ahead back right here. I'm going to go around back right here, just like this, onto the main form. Let's say for example, so I'm going to go around over here onto more now, and here you can see that I also have an option, open PDF editor. So these are basically different ways on which you can see and collect out the form submissions as needed. So you can see that now this is the submission. So you can see like there's multiple submissions right here. I can go right here and then see the submission right here. So this is received on this date and so forth right here. So these are something that we're going to go ahead and cover up as we progress through the course as well, on how we can actually go ahead and manage out the data as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and collect out and view out your form submissions as needed from Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.